Now we're going to be creating our website's blog. For those of you who are willing to create a blog for their website and publish articles there, which is really essential for your website's marketing and attracting more visitors to your website through these articles. And I'm going to show you the steps for pro Brizy users and also for free Brizy users. So it's really recommended to go ahead and grab a coffee if you drink coffee, of course, or grab something that you like, and clear your mind as well, because this could be a standalone course as there are tons of only blog posting websites in there. So simply this is how it's going to look like. Your menu item will be including a blog link, so your visitors can be clicking on that link to access your blog, and in that blog they will see your different articles in there, and they can click read more to check any of these articles, which will be looking like that. That's an example here for blog post. It's gonna be including a title and of course your article in here, sidebar on right side, images, and also they can comment, they can see related articles as well. And of course it's gonna be including your footer and header area as well. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. First of all, we need to go to our WordPress dashboard, pages, then create a new page by clicking in here, add new. Then you're gonna be creating a page. You can call that one our blog, newsletter, whatever you would like to call it. Let's open that one in a new tab. And let me show you guys something in there. So once you create add new, you will be seeing that interface in here where you will get to name your page, and you don't need to customize these settings in here. If you are going to use Brizy Pro to edit your page, you can leave these settings in here as they are. However, if you are a free user, you can edit these settings the way you would like. As in that case, you will be using the themes customizer for your visuals and page design. So anyway, once you create your page, you need to go to your settings in here. This is a very important step. Then go to reading. And remember guys, we assigned our home page from here. Now we need to choose also our blog page. So here you can see your blog posting page. In that case, I selected that newly created page. So once we start publishing our posts, they will be posted in that page. And once you do that, make sure you save your settings. Then we can go to our menus to add that page to our menus as well, clicking on appearance, menus. Then here in pages, you can click view all to see all your website's pages. You'll find your newly created page in here. Check that one and add to menu, and it will be added like that. Then make sure as well to save your menu. And now let's go ahead and see how we can create our posts. Well, basically guys, creating posts is so similar to creating pages. The only difference in here, instead of going to pages, you're going to be selecting posts, and you're going to be using Gutenberg as well, or the classic editor, whatever you're using there. However, before we create our posts, we need to create some categories first. So our posts will be categorized. So here you will need to select categories. And that's a default one in here. You can edit and rename that one if you would like. You cannot delete that one, by the way. And that's because each and every post need to be categorized. And also you can assign a parent category from here. Those are different categories I created before. And let me show you guys how you can create yours as well. So let's go back. And here if you'd like to add a new category, you can start by adding a name. So let's type maybe matching colors, as we're going to publish some articles helping our customers to match their colors. Then here we can select a slug, which is a UR friendly version of your name. If you have a too long category, you can assign a smaller one. You can leave that one empty if you'd like. Then here you can assign also a parent category for your category. However, I'm going to leave it as it is, and let's add a new category. Now that one is added in here, and anytime you can edit or delete any of them. However, now let's go and create our first post, adding a new post under posts. And now in that case, we'll have to use that interface in here to build our article. Whether you're using Brizy Free or even Pro version, we'll have to use Gutenberg for that reason. So let's start by adding a title in here in our blocks as well. color theories. Then let's add some text. Clicking on that plus in here to add a paragraph or any of these elements. If you would like to start with an image, you can do so. However, let's start with a paragraph first, and I'm gonna fill that one with some dummy text. Let's go to that website in here, and you will find that link in your resources as well. And here you can specify how many words you would like to have in your paragraph and how many paragraphs. So let's go with that one in here, triple clicking to highlight everything, Command or Control C. Going back to our post, pasting that. Now let's add an image, adding a new block. Let's add an image, and let's go to our media, selecting that one. Maybe selecting that image in here. Or you know what, let's select that one for now and keep that one as our featured image. This is just for demonstration purpose, guys. Now you can add another block in here, a paragraph, pasting the same text we have, and that could be our article for now. And here on right side you'll find your block settings. For that paragraph, if you'd like to change its color or so, and this will be important for free Brizy users. However, if you're using Brizy Pro version, we'll be styling our type in Brizy, so you can ignore these for now. And here you'll find your document settings. Here you'll have some options for status and visibility. For example, when would you like to publish that one? Either immediately or schedule that. Then here we need to assign a category for our post. So in that case, we're going to be selecting matching colors. And by the way, guys, you can assign more than one. So let's maybe add that one as well to fabrics and materials. Let's add some tags. This is going to help your visitors find your posts. Besides, you can show these tags maybe in your footer area. So let's type maybe colors. Then let's add another tag, enter, and let's add maybe elegance. And then here we have our featured image, which is really important, by the way. So let's set a featured image, selecting that image, set featured image. Then here we have excerpt, and this is optional, by the way, but let's add learn how to match your colors. And now we have our post created. Let's publish that. And now let's go ahead and review our post. Right click, open a new tab. So this is basically, guys, how it will look like for free Brizy users. So here on the right side we have our sidebar and we have our article in here. This is our featured image, title. Then we have our dummy text in here, another image we inserted within our article. Then here you can leave a comment, and here's our footer and header area, by the way. Of course, if you are a free Brizy user, you will need to edit that one using your themes customizer to enhance its visuals and maybe change your page's layout, and the same as well for your blog page, which is existing in here. And of course, you will need to work on your menus colors in here. And also, of course, you can enhance your visuals even in Gutenberg. So here, if we go back to Gutenberg again, each and every element in here can be customized even more. So for example, if you select your image, you will find more settings here for size, and the same as well for your type. If you would like to change colors, if you would like to make that bold, add a quote or something like that. And that's how far you can go as a free Brizy user, except for how you can customize your sidebar. However, let me show you guys how you can also customize your sidebar elements. So basically, guys, we need to go back to our dashboard. That's our post. We can hover over appearance. In here you'll find widgets. Right click in here and open a new tab. My favorite style. That's our widgets in here. Another way to access them, remember footer area widgets when we were creating our footer. Here you'll find your different widgets, and here you'll find your sidebar. It's including search, recent posts, categories, and in your case you'll see archive and different items as well. I removed them from my sidebar, and you can remove any of these elements by clicking in here then delete. And you can customize them even more from here, give them a title or show post counts for that specific element. And if you would like to add more widgets to your sidebar, you can select any of them like archives, drag that one and drop it in here or even after recent posts. And the same as well applies to your different footer areas. So you can maybe select footer area 1, we have sitemap in there or our pages. You can delete that one from here or even add more widgets to the same area by drag and drop. And now let's close that one in here and go back to our article and let's refresh that. Now we have our archives added. And that's how you can create your blog posts using the themes customizer. You can always enhance your visuals using your themes customizer. And that will be it for free Brizy users. Take care guys, and I'll be seeing you in next one.